Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you about Odoo's website. It is free for 1 year with its domain name. Your website is free forever with one app free plan, including hosting, unlimited support and maintenance, no ads or limits, and icing on the cake. Your domain name is also free. You can visit that pricing and all. It's just four-step away to build your website by your own without needed any developer or any customization. Udo website, you can build it from the start. Now it's free. Just clicking that button and just sign in from here, and then just follow the steps of a website, and it has already AI build, so you can just write. Suppose you have a cake shop, then everything would be related to cake would be there, and also the HTML editor is also available, so you can just copy the text and make filter out with artificial intelligence, and it's scalable and fully integrated. So just go to the Odoo website and take a chance to make your business on sky. Thank you for watching.